For any homework-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at support@pythonhomeworkelp.com, support@pythonhomeworkelp.com, or reach us at https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Q1. Sampling distribution for the goodness of fit test is the A. Poisson distribution, B. T distribution, C. Normal distribution, D. Chi-square distribution. Answer D. Chi-square distribution. Q2. The goodness of fit test is always conducted as A. Lower tail test, B. Upper tail test, C. Middle test, D. None of these. Answer B. Upper tail test. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Q3. State true or false statement. Null hypothesis for the chi-square test of independence assumes that all the proportions are equal. A. True, B. False. Answer A. True. Q4. Statistical test conducted to determine whether to reject or not reject a hypothesized probability distribution for a population is known as A. Underscore 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 A. Contingency test, B. Probability test, C. Goodness of fit test, D. None of these. Answer C. Goodness of fit test. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Q5. What is the minimum no of variables/features required to perform clustering? A. 0B 1C 2D 3. Answer B. 1. Q6. State true or false. The chi-square test of independence is used to analyze the frequencies of two variables with multiple categories and determine whether they are independent. True, false. Answer A. True. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Q7. State true or false. Minkowski distance is a generalization of both Euclidean and Manhattan metrics. A. True, B. False. Answer A. True. Q8. In order to perform the chi-square test to check independence in Python using SCPy, we import underscore 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 A, chi2 underscore test, B, chi underscore square underscore independence, C, chi2 underscore contingency, D. None of these. Answer C. chi2 underscore contingency. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Q9. Let x1 equals 1, 2 and x2 equals 3, 5 be the coordinates for two objects. The Euclidean and Manhattan distance between these two objects is underscore 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 respectively. A. 4.2 and 3b, 3.15 and 2c, 3.61 and 5d, none of these. Answer C. 3.61 and 5. Q10. State true or false. Discriminate analysis does not require the grouping variable to be known at the beginning. A. True, B. False. Answer B. False. pythonhomeworkhelp.com.